Look. Look at that messy face. Look at that messy face. Them feet. You want... you booger. Look at that face. Oh my goodness. This is a strawberry and blackberry face. Yeah, look at that strawberry face. Oh my goodness. She got a food face. She got a fruit face. You got a fruit face. Look, Daddy put the shower down here. You need to get a bathy. Come on, y'all come get a bathy. Come on, tell them come get a bathy. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come in, Mango. Get your bathy. Are you trying to avoid getting wet in this bath? Is that what you're trying to do? Yeah, get in there. Get a bath. Oh my, look at them faces. Look at those faces. Good boy. Good boy. Good job, Mango. That's a good boy. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. You need to turn around and go the other direction now. There you go. Can you turn and go the other direction? Good job. Yeah. That's a good job. Y'all are doing good. Y'all are doing so good. Good job. That's right. Go the other direction. No, go the other direction. To the other direction. You're getting a good bath. Yeah. You need your little scrub brush. Do you need a little scrub brush? You're doing good. I might have to put that thing on the heavy rinse cycle for a baby girl. Good job, Mango.
Please like and subscribe.
Good job. You're doing good.